Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress on GoDaddy. First, you'll need to select a GoDaddy hosting plan that specifically supports WordPress, such as their managed WordPress hosting. Once your plan is active, navigate to your GoDaddy account dashboard. From there, you can easily install WordPress with just a few clicks, often through a one-click installer. After installation, you'll receive credentials to access your WordPress admin dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your new website. After successfully installing WordPress, your next step is to personalize your site. Begin by choosing a suitable theme from the thousands available, which dictates your website's visual style and layout. Next, install essential plugins to extend functionality, perhaps for SEO, security, or contact forms. Finally, configure your general settings, including your site title, tagline, and permalink structure, which helps with search engine optimization. These initial configurations lay the groundwork for a professional and functional website. With your site's foundation set, it's time to populate it with engaging content. You can create new posts for dynamic blog articles, sharing updates or insights with your audience. For static information, like an About Us or contact page, you'll create new pages. WordPress's intuitive block editor allows you to easily add text, images, videos, and other media elements to both posts and pages. This process helps you build out the core information and offerings of your website. Maintaining your WordPress site on GoDaddy is crucial for its long-term success and security. Regularly update your WordPress core software, themes, and all installed plugins to ensure compatibility and patch any vulnerabilities. Implement robust security measures, such as strong passwords and a security plugin, to protect against malicious attacks. Furthermore, consistently back up your website data, either manually or through an automated service, to safeguard against data loss. These practices ensure your site remains secure, functional, and up-to-date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.